Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on SST Serverless Stack. In this video, I'll be explaining what SST is, how it works, and why it's a great choice for building serverless apps. What is SST? SST stands for Serverless Stack. It's a framework that makes it easy to build serverless apps on AWS. SST provides a number of features that make it a great choice for beginners, including a simple, declarative syntax that makes it easy to write code, a powerful CLI that makes it easy to deploy and manage your apps, a wide range of pre-built constructs that make it easy to add common features to your apps. How does SST work? SST works by creating a stack of AWS resources. A stack is a collection of resources that are deployed together. SST provides a number of pre-built constructs that you can use to create stacks. For example, you can use the RDS construct to create a database, the API construct to create an API, and the auth construct to add authentication to your app. Why use SST? There are a number of reasons why you might want to use SST to build your serverless apps. Here are a few of the benefits. SST is easy to learn. The syntax is simple and declarative, making it easy to get started with SST even if you're new to serverless development. SST is powerful. SST provides a wide range of features that make it easy to build complex serverless apps. SST is well maintained. SST is actively maintained by a team of experienced developers. This means that you can be confident that SST will be supported in the future. In conclusion, SST is a great choice for building serverless apps. It's easy to learn, powerful, and well maintained. If you're looking for a framework to help you build your next serverless app, I highly recommend SST. Thanks for watching this video on SST Serverless Stack. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on serverless development. If you're interested in learning more about SST, I recommend checking out the following resources: SST website, https, SST, dev SST documentation, https, docs.sst.dev SST GitHub repository, https, github.com Serverless Stack SST. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching this video.